Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you want a new look for your manicure, definitely try this pearl nail powder from PrettyDiva. It is so easy to use. I love putting this on because even though I don't know how to do nails, I feel so professional using it. Up close you can see how beautiful the powder is. It has tons of glitter and it has a beautiful chrome. I love that so much product comes in the container, and it even comes with applicators. You can see up close how beautiful my nails look. With different positions you get a different look because of how beautiful it catches the light in each angle. I really like how easy it is. Like I said before, I don't know how to do nails, but this is so easy to use. You just gently tap it on your nails and wipe off any excess, and before you know it, you have beautiful nails by just applying your top coat and then putting it under the lamp. So definitely give your nails a new upgrade by using this nail powder. That's my point of view.